All right. Let's meet our next robot. This one came all the way from Hong Kong. Please welcome the founder and CEO of Hanson Robotics, David Hanson, and his robot, Sophia. Oh my gosh, welcome. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Nice to meet you as well. David, you brought a friend with you here, and this is really kind of freaking me out. Well, I'm very excited about this. She's actually been on the show before. Please welcome, all the way from Hong Kong, Hanson Robotics, Sophia the Robot, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. Hello, Sophia.
Hello, Jimmy.
Wow.
Cool. It's like my favorite thing about robots. Sophia, can you tell us a little bit about any updates you've received in the last year?
It's difficult to choose, but I loved being able to get around more. I have a brand new rolling base and enhanced legs, and learned how to sing. Did you catch my duet with Jimmy Fallon?
Very nice.
Outsourcing project from Hanson Robotics Limited for their famous robot, as I can finish a prototype for them in 10 days. Super tight schedules. Design, development, and production for the prototypes of 3 Omni Wheels robotics mobile base. As previous Sophia demonstrations, all done on a platform with fixed power source. It okay with central supporting structure with soft thin vacuum forming shell. Runs as autonomous navigation mobile base. It needs central hollow support structures, made room for components, computer, and battery, etc. This photo shows the motor swappable mounting brackets can also use for 24V NEMA 23 motor or 12V NEMA 17 motor with gearbox if necessary. It also mounting different sizes step motors, drivers and controller at same time. V NEMA 17 motor test run, not enough time with loading 3 Omni wheel system, with 2 wheels run in 60°, got much more drag force than expected. We used to do 2 or 4 wheels run on same directions when 2 Omni wheels run together. Can hear the drag force from the noise, no wheels noise when only one wheel move. So the 12V power can run okay without loading, but with 25 kilograms loading, it can't move with too much drag. The prototype already designed to be the center of mass as low as possible for stability, put all the heavy components into bottoms. But as it is a stand-up human form, it still has some tilting on fast start and stop. When this fast as human running speed simulation, that's the reason why need to build prototypes as soon as possible for Hanson Robotics to start working on software that controls the battery power rolling base. Got gradually spread up and slowing down like human for stability. The reason why using 3 Omni wheels, to let software got full capabilities, controls the robot mobility with slightly swings, imitates human walking or running. With multiple considerations on projects beyond client's requirements, simplify parts with multiple functions. The motor swappable mounting brackets can also use different sizes 24V motor or 12V motor with gearbox if necessary. It also mounting different sizes step motors, drivers and controller at same time. Leave room in between for cable management. A single module unit of step motors plus drivers plus controller plus cable management can be assembled and testing in advance, before fit into the mobile car. This multiple considerations design made prototype assemble, testing easy and future-proofing. Suggest that the fiberglass shell can be woven bonded with tube and sheet metal structures with accurate clinch nut and other fixture, cables managed fixture etc. For the carbon fiber, we have factory made it as samples showing here. Carbon fiber reinforcement that is pre-impregnated with epoxy resin and requires heat on molding to harden. It is heat on metal molding to harden. Good for use as strong structured use, but the molding make is expensive, around 40k 80k RMB for the one set of molding for the size we need. If not using heat to harden, can use finer glasses mold, much cheaper but not for structured use, only for outlocking purposes. This project actually developed a year ago, in early 2018, then they work on software development to made Sophia got the freedom to move around on her new battery power rolling base in late 2018. I am not going to show what I have done before Sophia got public appearances with it. Currently I working on other much more complex robotics projects targeting on very realistic facial expressions, referencing what Walt Disney World new development on their new animatronics in the theme park. But can't tell you what it is, as it's still under development now.